How to create an account on Krea AI. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Krea AI. In order to create an account on Krea AI, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in Krea.ai. Now press on Go button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Krea. Here, you will be able to see the sign up button at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it, and by doing so, you will be presented with this interface. Here, if you prefer using your Google account, you may tap on this Continue with Google, and if you want to use your email address instead, then simply tap on the text box right here and there enter your email address. Once after entering the email address, tap on this Continue with Email option at the bottom, and then you will need to now create a strong password for your account. Once after entering the password, enter the same password in this third text box. Make sure both the passwords match each other. Now after entering the passwords, tap on this sign up button right here. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code, and after that, enter it in this field. Once you get the email, you can open the email to get the code. Once after entering the code, tap on the sign up button at the very bottom, and then after that you will see you have successfully created an account on Krea AI. In order to check your profile, you can simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. After that, from this pop-up, tap on the profile option in order to view your profile. So this is how you can create an account on Krea AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.